How to buy Cluster Labs token. So this token came under the symbol of Cluster. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there's a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the LBANK account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, this post from the MEXC, so they reposted. So if you click on it, as you can see, the Cluster Labs token built the first neural colony of over 1 million AI agents. So as you can see, vote for with MEXC to share massive airdrop, and this token will be trading live on 17 to in February on 15 UTC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So until this time, you will be able to buy this token. So how to buy this token? So after you create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT, what you need to do, go and log into your account. So after that, what you need to do, go back to this post and copy the symbol of that token, as you can see, Cluster. After you copy it, go here, insert and paste it. So as you can see, you can click on this pair, as you can see. Now click on it. So wait a few seconds. So as you can see, you need to wait 14 hours to be able to buy this token. So after that, what you need to do, click on buy here and select the limit, and here type how much you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account, and here click on buy the Cluster token. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy Cluster. So this is how to buy Cluster token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.